pay, which is followed by son when it is silent in English, but in French it is always pronounced. P is always pronounced in the starting of a word, unlike English. So this is pronounced as, I will break it also to make it clear, psi, ko. So I said say ash is sure, but say o is ko. So ash is silent here. So it is pronounced as ko, not sho. Psi, ko, lo, ji. J is ji. Okay. So here we can say o is like silent. So it is not pronounced ji. Psychology, which means psychology. Okay. Then the second sound example is pneumonia. I will break this word also. So it is pneumonia. Pneumonia. So you can see that as in English, psychology or pneumonia. You have to pronounce P in those words, or any other word if it exists. Then you have to pronounce P in those words. Okay.